It's going to stink really bad here in a second. This is Brian's most favorite train in the world right here. Shit. Gotta take it. That's gonna smell lovely in a second. Ah, jeez, that stinks. Oh man, ooh, that smells bad. That's one whole thing. Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna suck it. Yeah, that stinks really bad. Good God. Oh man, that stinks. That tunnel is going to smell so bad for a long time. I'm going to film this whole train. And God, that smells bad. Crap. Man. At least they got lids on so I can't see if there's any chairs in there. I mean, really. Yeah, I told you. Told you, first train of the day. First train of the day, every single time. Every time. The smell now, I mean, at least the wind's blowing strong. Get the smell out here quickly. Where the wind stops blowing, it stinks really bad. Come on. Are you done yet? Man. Keep blowing wind, get that smell out here. That car rocking there. Oh, okay, there's that. Get the hell out of here. Alright, get out of here, you're gone. So bad. Oh, it smells like you're trapped in that tunnel. You're done. Yeah. And it's gone. See, it's out of here. There's the view to the west.